Welcome to Powerful Trade. Today we are going to look at Nifty's weekly analysis. So actually we'll be doing this video only for educational purpose as well as how we can analyze the stock in like Nifty 50 in a weekly time frame, and then we will see like we have formulated a pointer. So we will see point by point whatever pointers we are focusing on. So we will explain that pointer to pointer, and then that way people can understand and then do the analysis by yourself. So the idea behind this is only for the educational purpose. So let us dive into the our weekly analysis. So first pointer is price action. So let us see where Nifty is going and what is the support and resistance level. So if you see Nifty, actually there is like after reaching a high of around 26, 25, 600 level, market is continuously falling, and then market is making higher lows. Okay. So now we are clearly seeing resistance is there at 25, 200 level, and further it is because we have conveyed also last week 25, 200 CE was written heavily, and the same thing happened 25 200 level it market has reached, and next day there was a good amount of sell off. So if you see further the low was broken, so as of now temporary trend is in downside. And if you see what is the nearest support, somewhere around 700 we have one good support, 650 to 700, and next support is there around 500. So 500, 700 and 500 are the support region for this week. And resistance, you all know that it is 25, 200. So market is expected to trade between 24, 500 to 25, 200. So now I'm not expecting market to be clearing 25, 200 level. So expecting some dip because a lot of IT negative news are also there. So it may be expecting a dip, and then there may be a chance of bounce once it comes to support region. Okay, so then now let us look into the next indicator, that is India VIX. So if you see also India VIX is also exactly doing a uh, bottom out. So it has come close to 10 and then now started moving up. So expecting to trade in a higher side VIX, so that may lead into some more volatility in the market. So that is what VIX is saying right now. And according to the downtrend, the VIX is also going up. So then coming to the next overall market direction. Okay, now we will say like this: from this level, when we have reached this level somewhere in May. From May to now it is in consolidation only. So we are not doing anything else. May, uh, almost May second week till now last week of July, it is around third month now. So third month we are in a sideways only, so nothing to worry. So market has zoomed so much in last 2 months, I mean April and May, post which market is consolidating. Okay, so overall direction is consolidation only. It may continue to do the same for some more time. That is what we are seeing in overall market. Coming to OA. So let us look at the OA data, what it is saying. Yeah. So you see market started falling. So people have started last time 200, now this time 25,000 call itself they have started. Because market is not able to sustain 25,000 level. So the people have started 25,000 itself. And if you see put side, some have put a straddle on 25. That is one observation. And second observation is 24 500 is having a, like as we told, some support is there in 700 and 500. There is some OA build up we could see, but that all are lower than the 25,000 CE. So now OA also similar like our support region only. 24 500 has have some decent amount of OA. Okay. So then coming to the next, that is straddle premium. So if you look at the straddle premium is there low only because VIX is below 12, and the straddle premium is in the order of 240 only, and nothing much in straddle premium is conveying. It is also once again staying sideways only. So that is what we could see. Then what we are seeing next is institutional future OA data. So if you look at the institution future OA data, see clearly it is visible. Institution both OAs like DI as well as FI both have also taken a bearish view. So it is very clear institutions are in bearish side only, because if you see one day prior also they are in bearish. So like that looks like institutions also expecting some more downside. That is what we could see from the OA data. So next we will look at the global market overview. So if you look at the global market as of now, where we are is, see now, shall we see global? Yeah, see global market is not actually what is happening is it is also consolidating at all-time high. So majority of the time it is not doing much, but it is consolidating only, because around 45,000 is the all-time high value. It is hovering around all-time high value only, and there is no panic or something in the Dow Jones. So global there is no issue. So it is all only our internal market issues. So now let us see what are the conclusive things. Now the market may once again in the range bound only. I'm expecting mm, good support at 500, and one more intermediate support around 600 to 700 level, and 200 is the resistance clearly. And now as per OA 25 itself is a resistance. So any price breaking 25,000 may lead into some short covering. That may lead, even that comes, it may not able to break 25,200. That is what we could see from this chart clearly. Two opportunities: if support comes, if people are buying, then there is a bounce possible. And even if it bounce, not expecting beyond 25,200. And if it comes, if 25,000 people are if they are getting panicked, then also 100 200 point only possible. So this all, that's all for this week. I think hope you liked our analysis. And one more thing I want to convey: this video is only for educational purpose. You can also analyze in the similar way and then take your call and take your trade according to your risk management. So that's all for today. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.